Oh, friends, far away places and close by. Some of them are in America, like Canada or USA. Some are in Europe. Some are in India, Himalayas. Some are here in UK. Uh, some, not millions. And it's still New Year 2026, January 6th, I think. So, Happy New Year for all these years, for all the days, 360 days, and success in your life mm, uh, without harming others, I hope. And we believe in generally, the world believes in peace. And many people, millions of people, are living quite happily. Millions are very miserable. And few millions are real troublemakers. And especially some of them are evil guys, breaking all the international rules and regulations, breaking all norms and ethics and moralities. And they are still holding the highest positions. They are not just evil. Well, that is evil, I think. And they are not making the world a better place. They're exterminating many thousands. They are not helping the poor. Whereas the majority of the people are not only helping, but let them live. So so we have got lot of things to do, lot of things to achieve, lot of things to stop. I think if we believe in peace, the war-making countries, we ask them, those politicians, those evil politicians, ask them to stop killing people or stop making wars, stop selling and manufacturing war machines, mm, mm, and try to follow international rules and regulations which were made by good thinking people. If a man with authority says whatever he says it goes, whatever the truth may be from the others, they are disregarded. And that level of thinking, it is utterly unhelpful for a peaceful world and all fairness. So the common sense must prevail. Common values must prevail. And it is one way, let's say, invasion of Ukraine as a sovereign nation is unjustified to invade. But why is Venezuela invading of Venezuela, and menacing that country? It's not fair. And blackmailing those leaders and blackmailing that country, blackmailing the people who live there as all doing the bad things is unfair unjust and lie and evil activity. Everyone should see that. No one should suffer like that. If there is any honesty in one's heart, if there is any fairness in one's heart, if there's any justice in one's heart, the people must try to protest and try to denounce. And in America, they must remove the evil guy if you really think he's an evil guy. And it is right for Ukraine to exist as a nation equal with all the other nations, should be respected by every nation. And Venezuela should be respected by the international community and by USA government and UN, just like Ukraine. And China is not so innocent as some of the European bottom lickers of China, because China is not that innocent. Chinese killed millions and millions of Chinese themselves, and they killed millions of Tibetans, millions of Uyghurs. They tried to rape Taiwan. Taiwan was never a part of China. Now, Hong Kong, look at Hong Kong. Hong Kong was 150 years with Britain, and when they handed over, they agreed that Hong Kong should remain as a democratic system under as one nation. And Chinese respected and signed, but never followed. So what are the Chinese communists like? They say one thing and do another 100%. And the rest of the world, America is no different from Chinese behavior. Never. Even worse. Colonialism was evil, evil before, evil now. An invasion of other countries, colonizing, and then stopping immigration coming by the immigrants is completely wrong. The Native Americans says that this is stolen by the immigrants. Now, who are the immigrants who say who is not allowed to live? Every immigrant has the right to live in USA as long as they follow the rules and regulations of that government or that system. Thank you.